It is a lesson on reading a tape measure, reading a ruler, and on this first one we can see that it would start here at 35, 36, 37, and the part that we've done is we've made it so that we break down this ruler in between the 37 and the 38, and we first find halfway, so we have that marked as 1/2, 37 and 1/2. It's the same as 2/4. This is 3/4. So when we look at this measurement of this one up here, we can see that that would be equal to 37 and 1/2. On this next one, comes down here past the 59, the 60, 61, 62, and it's in between the 62 and 63. We find where's half, we mark it, and at that point we can see it's right there. So we still label the 1/4, 3/4 if you want, and your answer would be 62 and 1/2. If you are looking at the assignment for today, this one we're measuring it to the 1/4 inch. We'd have 2 down here, 3, 4. This line's stopping somewhere between the 3 and the 4. Again, we start by marking 1/2. And that's the same as 2/4. Our 4 equal parts, we have 3 and 1/4, 3 and 2/4, 3 and 3/4, 3 and 4/4, or 4 inches. This line we can see goes all the way to 3 and 3/4. That's how we use the ruler or the tape measure to be able to measure and find the length.